Hi guys, and welcome to our first edition of how to print a 3D bubblegum monster, where we show you how we get from this to this using our Wanhao Duplicator i3 Plus. Now you can check out details of the 3D printer in the description below. And if you haven't checked out Preeta's 3D time-lapse on how to make a 3D Wreck-It Ralph, why don't you just click on the link above. Right, so now what I'm doing here now is I'm just loading the model file which Peter has sent over to me. I'm just going to make sure the settings are all adjusted and correctly, which they are, and we are using a Hatchbox PLA filament, and these are the settings we find work best for this printer with this filament. While I've got your attention, just thought I'd mention that we've got a Bubblegummonster Shop where you can buy all sorts of merchandise, everything from caps to mugs, duffel bags, sports bags, t-shirts, you name it, we've got it. And we're looking to introduce mobile phone cases for the Android and iPhone mobile phones, and that'll be coming up soon. But for the time being, why not check out the link in the card above. If any of you guys actually own a 3D printer and you'd like the G code for Wreck-It Ralph, all we ask is for a small contribution paid via PayPal to bubblegummonsters@gmail.com, and we will send you the G code. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that first edition of how to print a bubblegum monster. And if you guys would like to see more of these time-lapse videos, why not vote in the card above. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like bubblegum monsters, please subscribe. And until the next time, see you soon. Bye.